For this next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the rectangular pattern tool in 2D, so in your sketch. So I created a new part. I'm gonna go to Start 2D Sketch. I'll choose a plane, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to make sort of a chessboard type of pattern. Let's see, so if I go to the rectangle, and let's just go 8 tab 8. All right, so there is 8 by 8, and then if I were to just put in a 1 by 1 rectangle here, 1 tab 1, I could pattern it and it would save me from having to repeat a whole pile of stuff. So I want to go to the rectangular pattern and the geometry I want. So here's a little trick in Inventor. If you marquee or make a selection from the right to the left, it will only grab things that are completely contained within that selection box. If you marquee or make a selection, so I'm going to hit escape here and go back to rectangular. If I make a selection from the right to the left, it will grab everything that's even partially within there. All right, so let's just make sure that we grab this correctly. Let me try that one more time. So I want to marquee from the left to the right, and that will only grab that square. And my direction 1 is going to be this way. Notice how it's going opposite the direction I want to. So I've just chosen a part of the geometry that's parallel to which way I want to pattern it. So I'm going to use the little flip button here, and it'll flip it that way. I want to have 4 of these, and I want their spacing to be 2 inches. All right, something like that. I'll hit OK. And now let's see, what's the best way to do this? I think actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and offset it a little bit. So select, and once again, if I marquee from the left to the right, it will only grab the things that are completely contained with those. Now my base point is going to be the origin, and I want to copy those 4 squares right up there like that. All right, so hit done. There we go. And then I'm going to use my rectangular pattern tool, collect all of this geometry up, and wait, I don't want to get that bottom line, so I'm actually going to stop right there and then grab that separately. Uh-oh, now it's just grabbing all kinds of crazy stuff. Yeah, let's go through the middle. Oh man, I don't know what it's doing here. All right, rectangular tool, let's get all of these. We'll grab the bottom. And our direction is going to be up. And notice how that arrow is in the right direction this time. We want to have 4 of these, and we want them to be 2 inches apart. And voila, look at that, a chessboard. I feel like I could have done that more efficiently, but that'll do the trick. Finish sketch, and hopefully the gods of the extrusion will smile on us and allow us to, oh wow, look at that, that's almost perfect. Oh, that's not bad at all. All right, gods of the extrusion are in a good mood today. Let's just do this point 1, make it a little bit more chessboard-like, hit enter. Wow, will you look at that? That is the rectangular pattern tool in sketch mode.